The Arctic Circle is home to some of the most resilient and uniquely adapted animals on Earth. These creatures have evolved to survive brutal cold, extreme seasonal shifts, and a food chain in constant flux. Among them, the polar bear reigns as a top predator. Built for endurance and stealth, polar bears rely on sea ice to hunt seals, their primary food source. Their thick fur and a layer of fat insulate them from sub-zero temperatures, and their massive paws allow them to swim for miles across icy waters. As sea ice shrinks, polar bears face growing challenges, making them a symbol of the Arctic's fragility. Next, the Arctic fox thrives in some of the coldest temperatures ever recorded. Its compact body, thick fur, and keen sense of hearing make it a master of survival. In winter, it sports a white coat that blends perfectly with snow, while summer brings a brown or grey coat to match the tundra. The fox scavenges leftovers from larger predators and hunts rodents, birds, and fish. It also caches food in the warmer months to prepare for the scarcity of winter. The snowy owl, unmistakable with its white plumage and piercing yellow eyes, patrols the tundra with silent wings. These owls breed on the ground and fiercely protect their nests. Unlike many birds, they are diurnal, hunting both day and night, depending on the long Arctic summer daylight. They feed mainly on lemmings, and their population often mirrors the rise and fall of these small rodents. Another standout is the walrus. These colossal pinnipeds use their long tusks to haul themselves onto ice and to assert dominance in social hierarchies. With thick skin and a heavy layer of blubber, they are built for freezing waters. Walruses dive to the ocean floor to suck up clams and other invertebrates, using their sensitive whiskers to detect prey in the murky depths. Herds often gather in the thousands, and their sheer presence can reshape entire coastal areas. The narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea, adds an element of the mythical to Arctic waters. Males possess a single spiraling tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long. It's actually an enlarged tooth, believed to play a role in mating and possibly sensory perception. Narwhals travel in pods and migrate seasonally, navigating under thick ice using sophisticated echolocation. They are elusive, spending much of their lives beneath the surface, deep in the icy Arctic seas. Caribou, or reindeer, are among the few large land animals that roam the Arctic. Known for their vast migrations, some of the longest of any terrestrial mammal, caribou travel in massive herds in search of food and calving grounds. Both males and females grow antlers, which is rare among deer species. Their large, concave hooves help them move across snow and dig for lichen, their main winter diet. The Arctic hare is another cold-weather specialist. With its thick white fur and compact build, it stays warm in temperatures that would freeze most animals. It can run at remarkable speeds to escape predators, and often forms groups during the winter to conserve heat and improve its odds against threats. Despite its small size, it's a vital part of the Arctic food web, serving as prey for foxes, wolves, and birds of prey. Musk oxen, shaggy and prehistoric-looking, have been roaming the Arctic for thousands of years. Their long outer hair and insulating underwool, called kivyut, keep them warm even in -40 degrees. In winter, they use their hooves to dig through snow for mosses and lichens. When threatened, musk oxen form a defensive circle around their young, horns out, ready to charge as a group, an effective tactic against wolves. Speaking of wolves, the Arctic wolf is one of the most isolated and least studied of its kind. Living in packs across the northernmost parts of North America and Greenland, these wolves hunt musk oxen, caribou, and Arctic hares. Their white coats provide camouflage, and their social structure allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves. Arctic wolves endure extreme conditions and go long periods without food, depending on teamwork and territory knowledge to survive. Lastly, the beluga whale stands out for its striking white color and high-pitched vocalizations. Known as the Canaries of the sea, belugas are social and curious, often seen in pods. They can mimic a wide range of sounds and communicate with each other in complex ways. Unlike most whales, belugas have flexible necks, allowing them to turn their heads, a helpful trait in the icy maze of Arctic waters. They navigate vast distances through narrow passages and ice-packed seas, foraging for fish, crustaceans, and worms along the way. These 10 animals aren't just inhabitants of the Arctic. They are its lifeblood, each playing a critical role in a fragile ecosystem. Together, they illustrate the diversity and resilience of life at the planet's frozen edge, where survival is both an art and a daily battle.